Niguo gwikira hinya kirabu gia Tusker, athaki mugwaja nimandikaniire kandarathi mbere ya kimera kieru kiambiririe thikũ nini ciukite. Hamwe na athaki aria nyabara Robert Matana waiyukitie ni hamwe na arangiri Boniface Onyango na Thomas Teka kuma kirabu-ini gia Kariobangi Sharks na aria mahetwo kandarathi ya miaka 2 oro mundu.
We are trying to strengthen where we saw that we need somebody who can come and cover, because already we have the same team. As you know, we lost some players and the others contract ended. So we wanted to enforce even to beef up again.
Akiaria thutha wa mihang'o ino, nyabara Robert Matano ni ahete athaki ethi mweke kuma akademi ya Tusker na kuria batiritie muthaki wa karaiga gatagati Collins Otieno akiuga athaki ethi ni megukorwo magicenjia kirabu giki.
Through the help of the coach and the technical bench, just to ensure that we strengthen our team so that we can be in a better position even as we move towards, defending our title.
Athaki angĩ ni hamwe na Otieno kuma wa Zito FC oro ũndũ ũmwe na kipa wa Bidco United. Kirabu gĩkĩ ningĩ gĩkĩamũkĩra bathi ya gũtwara athaki mbĩtĩka-inĩ citiganĩte.
Young goalkeeper from Bidco, Brian Opondo. So those are players we are having now, and I am happy that they have been responding well for training, and we hope that they are going to do better for next assignment.
Kiumia twerekeire imwana ici cia endi ya Karobo ni makarĩkĩrĩria meharĩria mao mwena wa gĩcũa-inĩ mbere ya kũhũra kĩmera mwaki na Posta Rangers ngucanio yao ya mbere. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Kuria wa Gĩcimu.